Hi, this is Armila, franchise consultant of Unified Products and Services. For this video, I'll show you how to load Gpinoy or Gsat account using web access. When you're logged in, select loading and then e-loading. Next, prepaid card. Select prepaid card, select others. For the denomination, for this demo, we'll be using Gpinoy 99. So if you want to signal, Gsat 300, whatever denomination or whatever is appropriate, just search through these options. Gpinoy. For phone number, you can use the client's phone number or your personal number. What's important is we just need the ERPN. The ERPN will be sent on the number that you have typed in. And then next is the password, my own password, CAPTCHA code. For Android, you might not have the CAPTCHA code. It's okay. You can just skip that. Submit. And just check your phone. You will be receiving the ERPN. And I'm using the Gpinoy Gsat web portal. Yeah, I find it convenient. And then select Gpinoy loading, and then just go through the verification process, proving that you are a human. Right. So for this portal, you can also check subscription if you'd like to. And next, the phone number or the box number rather. Alright. And please be very careful when typing the box number, because you might be loading somebody's account. Okay. And then refer to your phone for the ERPN. Once you have verified that all the information that you have typed in are correct, you just have to click submit. Click submit. On the bottom left, you'll have the confirmation. It will be loaded to the STB. But in my case, I would rather check the subscription, just making sure that it has been credited to the user's STB or account. And then just go through the process, proving that you're human. Alright, just and then just enter the box number, and you'll see everything, the details about the account. So as you can see, it has been credited already. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and follow our Facebook page at Unified Hambay. Bye!